Hi students, welcome to Taal. Today I'll show you how to mark on keyboard, because if the marking is correct, we can learn easily. So I have a keyboard that is 6000 CTK 6000, that is a Casio, and this is the 5-octave keyboard. I will show you now. This is the 5-octave keyboard. Okay. So from the right side of the keyboard, on my right hand side, we will start it. So you can see there is except the last key is not there. From here we will start it. Okay. So from the right hand side, first key, I will be writing sa double dot up, ni, next ni dot up, next is dha dot up, next is pa dot up, next is ma dot up, next is ga dot up, next is re dot up, and then sa dot up. I'm just marking top of the keys, okay, because if you write down, if you mark down, then you may rub it, and just write down with the whiteboard marker. So we can remove it. Don't write with the permanent marker. Okay, next of that we'll be having ni, that is without dot. Next dha, next is pa, next is ma, next is ga, next is re, and next is sa. Okay, then next we are writing ni dot down, then dha dot down, next is pa dot down, next is ma dot down, next ga dot down, next re dot down, next sa dot down. So I will start it from the right hand side. Sa double dot up, ni dot up, dha dot up, pa dot up, ma dot up, ga dot up, re dot up, sa dot up, ni without dot, dha without dot, pa without dot, ma without dot, ga without dot, re without dot, sa without dot, then ni dot down, dha dot down, pa dot down, ma dot down, ga dot down, re dot down, sa. So it is sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, and again sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, again sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. You can see the difference is only just dot down or without dot or dot up. So the dot down, it is a lower octave or lower pitch. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni, this is the middle octave without dot, and the sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, that is dot up, that is called a higher octave, higher pitch. Okay, so now the sa re ga ma pa dha ni without dot, we will write down the western notes. So that is C, sa without dot, there down will write down C, then next is D, next is E, then F, then G, then A, and then B, and then C dot up. So I have finished writing. You can mark it as per that, and if you are getting any difficulty, you can pause it and you can rewind, and you can write down. Fine. So I will show you now. Like this I have written. Thank you very much.